Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix can't uninstall app or programs on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! So are you trying to uninstall an app or program from your Windows 11, but it won't uninstall? Maybe you're getting an error message, the uninstall button isn't working, or the program simply refuses to be removed. If you're dealing with this problem, don't worry, you are in the right place. So, first, we'll start with the simplest solution and then move on to other methods if the first doesn't work. I'll show you how to check Windows settings. Use the control panel to restart your PC. So first, you can try to open your control panel. You can search on the search bar, control panel. You can open it. You can go to programs to uninstall the programs. So in here, you can just choose on the program or apps that you want to remove, you want to uninstall. If you try to uninstall it still doesn't work, you can uninstall it from control panel. You can check it first on your task manager. You have to make sure that the program is uh, end. So you can go to your start menu, you can click right, you can go to task manager, you can check the program of the apps that you want to uninstall. For example, for this one, maybe you can click right and select on end task. So you have end the task, and you can try to uninstall the program from the control panel again. It's very simple, right? But if still it doesn't work, you can still uninstall the program. You can restart your device first. After that, you can repeat uh, to uninstall the program or the apps. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix can't uninstall program or apps from your Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.